Question that we get asked a lot is how much does a bookkeeping service cost? So generally that's contingent upon the individual. So it'll depend on the knowledge of the bookkeeper, the professionalism of the bookkeeper, the expertise of the bookkeeper. So obviously a couple of key things that you want to look out for is, are they qualified? Number one, generally the industry standard or minimum would be a Certificate 4 in accounting. The other thing that you want to be looking out for is obviously the experience. So real world experience is always very important, rather than getting somebody straight out of TAFE or university, somebody that's actually been in and has looked after the books for businesses commercially is obviously going to be very helpful. An industry standard is a registered BAS agent that the Tax Practitioners Board has brought in the last 6 years. So that's basically a certification by the Tax Practitioners Board to say that this person is certified by us to be able to provide BAS agent services. So to fast track and answer your question, how much does a bookkeeping service cost? It's going to be contingent upon those things. So obviously the more qualified and experienced somebody is, you're going to be expected to pay a little more. Obviously somebody who's unqualified, well, I probably wouldn't even look at using them to begin with. But look, our services start at $31 per hour, which is very competitive in the industry, ranging through to $49 per hour, depending upon what you're looking for. Generally, there's a few other things that you need to look out for as well. Is does the bookkeeping service provider provide a BAS lodgement fee? We don't. Do they charge travel time? We don't. And there may be some other hidden fees or charges that you may need to ask about when you do engage a bookkeeping service provider.